So we've got two images here. Got a vintage looking Spanish travel poster and the same thing but square with these nice borders on either side. So I'm going to show you how to make that. I'm going to open up paint.net here on my Windows PC, and we'll take the original image here, the unnamed, and I'll open that up in paint.net. First thing I'll do is resize the image. It's currently about 1000 by 1700. So Control R brings up the resize tool. Maintain aspect ratio is chosen, and we'll make the largest dimension 2000 because I like round numbers. And then Control Shift R brings up the canvas tool. You can also get to this by image, resize, or canvas size. And we can deselect the aspect ratio and make this 2000. So it'll make a square image with the image selected in the center as opposed to anchoring somewhere else. Then I will use this magic wand tool and bring the tolerance down to like 8% as opposed to something higher, which will start to capture the innards of the image. So we'll bring the tolerance way down, and I'm deleting these, so that's going to make it a clear part of the image. Here's our layers tool, adding a layer, and then I'll use the color grabber to grab some of this orange. Go to layer 2, paint bucket to fill, and fill that background. That looks nice. And then I will merge this layer down. Let's say I wanted to undo that and choose the exact same color as this poster. I could open this, use the color picker, and pick the exact color. And we're seeing that that gives us a hex code of D26A07 versus the very similar color here, CD6E0A. So you can use the color picker and you see there's a bit different tone. This is more pumpkin and this is more maple leaf. We'll go with maple leaf here and merge the layers down, and I will save this image and close, and we're done. So now we can open this unnamed up, which has that color. That looks nice. Or the original. It's a slightly different background color. Okay, there you have it. That's it.